Ooh, this sideways market got me all sleepy. How's it going, everybody? My name is Mark. I'm from NullTX, aka No Transaction, and today I will be talking to you about Bitcoin's price. So currently we are trading at 65.80, up about $80 in the past 24 hours. You know, the market has been trading sideways at this 6,000 whatever level for the past 4 months, honestly. If you count, if you don't count all these price spikes, it's been stuck at this level since June. And if you go back for even earlier, you can see the same level back in March and even in February. So let's talk a little bit about news first. So today, Gemini did announce that they secured insurance from Aon. So what that means is any money you send to Gemini or any funds you have on the exchange are going to be insured. Now, there is already insurance on it. It's called the FDIC insured dollar deposits, but now there's an additional insurance, which is the Aon insurance. So Gemini tries to get as close as it can to being a regulated financial institution that people are used to. Gemini aims to give its clients the same security they have always enjoyed with traditional financial institutions. So that's kind of what has been the trend lately with cryptocurrency, is make them more traditional or make it more secure / regulated and more appealing to institutional investors. Now, I know you probably heard that phrase many times, institutional, but that is the trend as of right now with crypto markets. For example, have you seen the Ripple, the XRP price spike? It was insane. The market doubled in price in a few weeks. Why? Because Ripple is one of the only cryptocurrencies that is actually trying to work with banks rather than overthrow them. So that's just something to keep in mind. Back to the charts, like I was saying earlier, we have the sideways trading market that people are extremely tired of. Personally, beggars can't be choosers. We have had this bear market for 8-9 months. I will take a sideways market any day over a bear market, because at least in a sideways market there's still a hope for recovery or hope for a breakout. But if we kept hitting new lows, then people would be really disappointed. So we wrote a price article about Bitcoin, and there's talk about two different sides of the story. So one side is the positive. People are thinking that because, if you do some trend analysis, you draw a line here, draw a line there, you see that the market is kind of getting ready for a breakout, and hopefully the breakout is going to be positive. But the fact that we have been hitting the same low time and time again, which is above the $6,000 level, is actually good news, because if this market was doing badly and it was really looking for new lows, then every time a price spike would happen, when the bottom comes, it would be a lower bottom. So here we have bottom 6,600. Here we would have a bottom of lower, like 55, and so forth and so forth. It would keep going lower. But the fact that the bottom keeps staying above the $6,000 level is great news. That's part of the reason people are saying that for the most part. Right here, one source says that in the coming months, Bitcoin can expect to see growth in its overall value, particularly because of the entrance of some professional players in the crypto space. And the other thing I wanted to mention is Q4 is starting. Q4 started October 1st, and usually Q4 has been quite well for cryptocurrencies. Now, I have been saying that June, July, and August would be good months. If you look at the chart, they weren't really the greatest months. Things haven't really gone way up, but things also haven't gone down. So if you think of it relative to the year, June, July, and August have been extremely good months, because that is the only time that the market hasn't gone down. So I'm going to remain extremely positive, and I think there's still plenty of opportunity and plenty of chance for Bitcoin to close around 10,000 at the end of the year. Now, on the pessimistic side, there has been a general lack of interest among the public when it comes to Bitcoin and cryptocurrency overall, just because we had this crazy spike at 19,000 at the beginning of the year, and people took note of that, and now they're seeing Bitcoin trade at 6,000. They're just dismissed it. They're like, oh, we don't care. It doesn't matter. I don't care about Bitcoin. I don't care about cryptocurrency. The other thing is the trading volume has been relatively low, but that's not something to worry about, because the fact is crypto trading wasn't. So here's another interesting one. Bitcoin trading is at an all-time low, though this isn't something to worry about completely, considering the high for crypto trading wasn't even at the end of 2017, but rather 2016. So it's not out of the question that a major bull run could occur before the year's end. And back to the pessimistic attitude, another source is saying that the price reversal of Bitcoin and related cryptocurrencies are not likely. He's talking about a price reversal upwards. They're saying that the idea of these currencies bottoming out soon is actually a fantasy created by uber loyal traders. It says that there are virtually no indicators on any chart suggesting that the currency will spike exponentially in the coming weeks, and more drops may occur before Bitcoin ultimately chooses to stop. Everybody is entitled to their opinion. This is a valid opinion. I personally do not agree with it. I think we are potentially seeing signs that cryptocurrency, and especially Bitcoin, may break out upwards. Part of the signs is, like I said earlier, we have these unicorn cryptocurrencies that have been doing extremely well. I can give you two examples, XRP and Dogecoin. They both have doubled in value in the past few weeks. So that just means that there is still opportunity in cryptocurrency and things may still go up. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope I gave you guys some good updates on what's happening with Bitcoin, and I really hope this sideways market comes to an end and we can see some upwards momentum in the coming weeks. Thank you guys all for watching. My name is Mark. I'm from NullTX, and I'll see you guys next time.